Hi everyone, hope you're having a good weekend. I'm going to be going over what's coming up in week 2 in this video and just hitting on some key things to look forward to and to remember. So great job so far on week 1. I know it's a fast-paced course, so you're doing a good job keeping up with turning stuff in as it's due each day. So on week 2 we will continue reading the book Co-Intelligence. You'll see that we don't finish all of it, but you have some choices as to what you want to read from the last parts of the book. But on Monday you are doing something called Synthesizing Parlors 1 and 2, and there is a walkthrough assignment here where you have a tutorial that you'll look at. And you can see the purpose here is to practice synthesizing information. So this is something that you'll be doing on a larger scale in the Extended Inquiry Project / Reader's Guide. So you're coming up with also some possible research topics from the book as well. So please just follow through the instructions. You'll see a sample synthesis here that I wrote on a different topic, so this is not on the co-intelligence, but it gives you an idea of how to write a synthesis, okay? And so you're going to hit reply here and post your synthesis there, okay? So you can see here what you will need to turn in to get full credit for the synthesis. All right, so then on Tuesday, you are you have readings for Parlor 3 due. So you are reading chapters 4 and 5 and posting your response as usual to that. And then with these two assignments, we are looking towards the Extended Inquiry Project and starting to think about what topics from co-intelligence you are most interested in. So this curiosity and inquiry-based research activity, you do not need to turn anything in for it, but it gives you some idea of kind of the context for what inquiry-based research is and why we would be doing it, and how it's different from thesis-driven research, which is what you have probably mainly done in the past. So please read through this, and then if you would like, you can write this reflection on your own. This is not something that you need to turn in, but it is important to understand the type of research that we'll be doing going forward. And then there is a reader's guide overview that I'd like you to look at. There is nothing that you need to turn in for this reader's guide right now. This is to give you an idea of what's on the horizon, what we will be working towards once you have chosen your topic for the Extended Inquiry Project. The culmination of the Extended Inquiry Project is the Reader's Guide. So this is a document. We're making an ebook on the line of inquiry that you are researching based on our readings, so based on co-intelligence. Okay, so I'd like you to just look over this. This is a walkthrough of the assignment so that you know what we are going to be working towards. And Parlor 4 on Wednesday is our last parlor, and you have the option here of what chapters you want to read. So, you know, flip through the book, see which one seems the most interesting to you, maybe thinking about what type of topic you are most interested in doing research on, you know, maybe falls more with one of these chapters. So you're choosing just one of those chapters, okay? And then I will also be sending out a folder, a shared Google folder on Wednesday that you will use to set up your research log on Friday. So you'll get that on Wednesday, but you will not need to set up your research log until Friday. Thursday, you are doing another synthesis as you did on Monday, but this will be of Parlors 3 and 4. And then you're going to do this inquiry-based research response and parlor mining activity. So this is to help you come up with ideas for what topic you might want to research from co-intelligence. So your topic needs to come out of our reading and discussion of co-intelligence in some way. Okay, and then you are going to post your possible research topic there. And then you're going to set up the research log. So there's simple instructions for how to do that using Google Docs. And then you have two introductions here to concepts that we'll be working with going forward. So the CRAP test is something that you will be applying to each source that you find, and the introduction to summarizing is going to introduce you to the way you should go about summarizing each source that you find for your research logs. So going forward from Friday, you are going to be working on your own topic from co-intelligence. Okay, so keep in mind as you are reading this week, what aspect of AI is most interesting to you, and start trying to formulate a possible research topic slash question that you would like to work with for the rest of the course. So please let me know if you have any questions about the course. You can post those to the Ask the Professor forum, and just keep up the good work and let me know if you have any issues going forward this week.